Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in your Canva designs, a quick and essential skill that enhances your projects and presentations. Whether you're working on a multi-page report or a complex presentation, hyperlinking between pages can create a seamless experience for your readers or collaborators. Let's dive right in and learn how to do this swiftly and effectively. First, open your Canva design project. Select the text you want to hyperlink to another page. This can be any text box within your project, whether it's a title, subheading, or sentence. Clicking on the text box will highlight it, making it clear that this is the element you're working with. Next, look at the upper right corner of your Canva interface. You'll see a series of icons, one of which consists of 3 dots arranged in a line, often called the More icon. Click on these dots to access additional options related to your highlighted text. After clicking, you'll notice several options, including a chain link symbol labeled link. Click on this to open the linking menu. While you could use it to link to external websites, today we're focusing on linking to different pages within the same Canva project. Once clicked, a menu will appear allowing you to choose a destination page. Carefully select the page you want your text to link to. This is especially handy in larger documents, making navigation faster and your project more accessible. After choosing the page, click Done to secure your hyperlink. To ensure it works perfectly, test the link by clicking on it. It should take you directly to the selected page. And that's it. You now have your pages linked within your Canva design, making your project more interactive and easier to navigate. This simple yet powerful tool can greatly enhance how you and your audience interact with your designs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of Canva's features to spice up your creations. Happy designing!